Welcome back, my friends, and happy Good Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. We will keep today's video as short as possible so you can get on to enjoying your holiday weekend if you are celebrating. Today's job lead is from the company The Hartford. Now, The Hartford deals in insurance and mutual funds and all kinds of different insurance and financial products. They have over 3,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to everything that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. The Hartford is hiring a group benefit customer service rep. Now, this is remote for the United States, and it covers Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, Mountain Standard Time, and Pacific Standard Time zones, so it doesn't look like there are any state restrictions. But this is going to be a customer service position. So you'll be answering phones and demonstrating the ability to be tech savvy to assist customers with website and troubleshooting technical issues with their group insurance benefits. You'll build rapport and maintain positive relationships with the customers. So you'll be taking inbound phone calls and using those active listening skills, understanding what the individual needs and helping them out. So you'll answer benefit questions like their short-term disability, long-term disability, life insurance, supplemental life products, safe haven, all of that. And you'll help with the billing and administrative questions as well. Now, they are going to provide paid training. You'll be assigned a training schedule, but training is approximately 2 weeks, and it's anytime between the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They have their different training shifts listed above, and they're looking for someone to start training by June 5th of 2023. Now, they're looking for somebody who has strong technical skills, can use a computer, someone who has the ability to empathize with the customer, someone who has a background in some kind of customer service, the ability to work in a fast-paced environment, and great communication and customer service skills. Now, you do need to know how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all the things, but this is a 100% remote work from home position. You are going to have your own high-speed internet, but they are going to provide the computer for you. Now, if customer service is your thing and you don't mind that, pay for this position, of course, is dependent on location and experience, but is anywhere from $40,685 a year all the way up to $61,027 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.